Good morning, folks. Getting right to the RSOE, we had a landslide in India, too much rain there. We had a large quake on the Pacific Ridge. These sometimes precede bigger ones closer to shore. Another big quake on the Atlantic Ridge, as well as the quakes on the northern coast of Western Europe being larger than usual. Yesterday, we told you the U.S. is having the hottest year ever, but weird weather right now is a global event. Financial world has no good news. Lending, borrowing just got more expensive. This article is interesting, perhaps rumblings of one of the earliest secret societies. This article is infuriating. How our government still allows this is proof they have failed. This is a good read on Antarctic ice formations, or deformations and destructions, I should say. This is a bad read, just some updated details on the tragedy in Peru. You can see here that we have been on the verge of a geomagnetic storm for about a day and a half. The culprit? I know this is difficult to see because it's choppy, but the top is the solar wind speed rising sharply due to an impact from this coronal hole. It may go higher, and we've also had some minor CME impacts. We are expecting at least 3 more. You can see the enduring resonance across multiple frequencies here. The Earth is as a bell ringing after a loud gong. You can see here that the solar plasma is easily breaking through our shields and juicing up the ionosphere and upper atmosphere. Having a look at this primary active region, she is beta, gamma, delta, producing large M flares and could pop off an X flare. But this region has yet to produce a single CME. However, looking to the right of that region, between it and the dark, tall coronal hole, you will see a small filament eruption, which gives us our most recent CME headed right at Earth for an impact in 3 days. Down on the southern solar disk, we have a number of filaments that pose risk of instability. Have another coronal hole here, turning at Earth now. And last but not least, folks, 3 days till the Jupiter conjunction. Earthquake watch, magnetic storm watch. That's the news, folks. Be safe.